Hello friends, we are having a very beautiful problem in which we are required to find the radius of germanium atom. So if I write that of Ze, that is germanium, then it has to be find out. Okay, so we have to find out how much is the radius of Ge. So if I do so, how will it go? It will go with the formula R equals R naught A raised to the power 1 over 3. Do you know 1 over 3? Now, do you know the meaning of every symbol here? R naught is the fixed quantity which has a value of 1.1 Fermi. Now, Fermi meter is nothing but it is 1.1 multiplied 10 raised to the power minus 15. Fermi says that something is in multiplication of minus 15.